Students, today we shall see the 8th standard geometry, the chapter, continued part of the geometry, understanding the quadrilaterals. So, students, in the previous class we have seen what is a polygon, what are convex and concave polygons, regular and irregular polygons, and the angle sum property of the polygons. And also in the previous class we have seen the formula to find out the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. We know that the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. The sum of the interior angles of the polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is the number of sides of the given polygon. Is the number of sides of the given polygon. So, on the basis of this formula, today we will simplify some of the problems of the exercise problems. So, now we shall see exercise problems. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Students, in this problem, so they have given, the problem is, what can you say about the angle sum of a convex polygon with number of sides. So the sides are, first one is 7, second one is 8, third one is 10, fourth one is 11. Sorry, fourth one is n. Students, so observe the problem. So in the problem, and try to understand the problem. What can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon with the number of sides 7, 8, 10 and n? So that means if the polygon has 7 sides, what is the sum of the interior angles? So if the polygon has 8 sides, so what is the sum of interior angles of that polygon? Similarly, for 10 sides, for n sides. Student, we already know the formula to find out the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. So by using that formula, substitute the value of n. So in place of the given formula, we will get the interior angles. So solution part, students. Solutions. So first one, if n equals 7, if n equals 7, so come on tell me, so if n equals 7, so name the polygon. So recall, students, recall the previous period. So if n equals 3, it is called as a triangle. So if the number of sides is equal to 4, it is called as quadrilateral. If the number of sides is equal to 5, it is called as pentagon. If it contains 6 sides, it is called as hexagon. So if it contains 7, it is called as heptagon. So now n equals 7. So therefore, interior angles, sum of interior angles, sum of interior angle equals formula already here, n minus 2 into 180 degree equals, in place of n substitute 7, 7 minus 2 into 8, 180 degree. 7 minus 5, if you subtract 7 minus 2, then the value is 5. 5 into 180 degree. So if you multiply, it will become 900 degrees. So 18 5s are 90, so 0. That means it is 900 degree. So therefore, the sum of the interior angles of a polygon having sides 7 is 900 degree. Similarly, students, so we will take a second problem. If n equals 8, so if n equals 8, so what do you call that? N. So if n equals 8, it is called as octagon. Again, once again, by using formula sum of interior angles equals n minus 2 into 180 degree equals, substitute n equals 8, 8 minus 2 into 180 degree, which will be equals 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 into 180 degree. So if you multiply 6 into 180 degree, it will become, so 18 6 are 108, 0. So the sum of the interior angles of the polygon having 8 sides will be 1080 degree. 1080 degree. Students, similarly, so you simplify by using the same formula, simplify these two formulas. So if a polygon having 10 sides, if a polygon having n sides, so that means you have to substitute the value of n by using this formula, n minus 2 into 180. For the third problem, substitute in place of n equals 10. So for the fourth formula, substitute n in place of n. So that means the formula the same will be, we will get the same answer. So for the fourth problem. Okay, students. So we will try both third and fourth problem. Okay. Students, we shall see the next problem. The next problem is, what is a dear students, we shall see the next problem in exercise 4.1. The problem is, what is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. So in this problem, so first we have to say what is the definition of the regular polygon, and after that we have to name the regular polygon. We have to give the name for the regular polygon which contains 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. Students, you are already know about the definition of the regular polygon in the previous class. So regular polygon means it is a polygon in which the all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So it is called as a regular polygon. So now we have to name the regular polygon with 3 sides. So we know that the polygon having the 3 sides is a triangle. So whereas in case of this problem, so this should be a regular polygon. This should be a regular polygon. So therefore, which type of triangle it should be? Yes, it should be a equilateral triangle, because according to the definition of the polygon, regular polygon, all sides are equal and all angles must be equal. So therefore, in an equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides are equal and all the 3 angles are equal to 60 degree. Therefore, first one is for 3 sides, it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So next question is second one. So we have to name the regular polygon with 4 sides. So can you tell me the polygon having the name of the polygon having the 4 sides? Now, yes, it is a quadrilateral. So, but here we have to write the type of the quadrilateral having a regular polygon or having regular. So that is 4 sides. 4 sides, it is a quadrilateral. So in a quadrilateral we know that square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, kite, etc. We will study in the next part of this chapter. So 4 sides, having a quadrilateral having a 4 sides, regular, it should be a regular, or that it is a square. It is a square. Because in a square, all the four sides are equal. In a square, all of you know that. In a square, all the four sides are equal. All the angles equal to 90 degree. Next we will come to the third one. Third one, six sides. Six sides. So on the basis of the sides of the polygon, so if it contains three sides, what do you call? Yes, it is a triangle. So if a polygon contains four sides, it is called as quadrilateral. If a polygon contains five sides, what do you call? Yes, it is called as a pentagon. Similarly, if it contains six sides, it is hexagon. So here it is a polygon with six sides. Therefore, we call it as an hexagon. But here it should be a regular. Therefore, a polygon, a regular polygon having six sides is called as regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Okay, I think you have understand this problem. In this problem, you have to write a definition of regular polygon, which is already known in the previous class. Student, so now we shall see the next problem. So in the next problem, they have given some plane figures. So we have to find out the angles. Let us see the problem. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. Find the angle measure x in the following figure. So here, in the first figure, we have to find out the value of x. That means that measurement of the angle. Similarly, in the second figure also, we have to find out the value of x. So that means we have to find out the value of x in the given figure, that is in the given polygon. If you observe both of the figures, they have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So they have four sides. So therefore they are called as quadrilateral. They are called as quadrilateral. We will come to the first problem. So in the first problem, we will name the given figure as A, B, C, D. You can give the name or you can find out without giving the name. So if you given the name for the each vertices, so it will help for the identification of the angle. So I have given A, B, C, D. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is a one type of quadrilateral. So therefore, now in the figure A, it contains four sides. It is A, four-sided polygon. Four-sided polygon. So it is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. So that means, therefore, number of sides equals n equals 4. N equals 4. So first, before going to finding the value of x, that means the angle C, we have to find out the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral or sum of the interior angles of a given polygon. So already you know the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. Therefore, I will write here sum of interior angles. Interior angles of ABCD equals n minus 2 into 180 degree. If you substitute the value of n 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, which will be 2 into 180 degree equals 360 degree. So therefore, the sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree, or sum of the interior angles of a polygon having 4 sides is 360 degree. So after knowing the interior angle of a quadrilateral, we will take the sum A, B, C, D. In the next step, therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals 360 degree. It is a quadrilateral, so it has 4 angles. In the figure, A means 30 degree plus angle B means 120 degree plus angle C means x. That is, we have to find out. So the angle D is 50 degree equals 360 degree. Now I have substituted I have substituted the value of each angle which is given in the figure. Angle A is 130 degree, angle B is 120 degree, so angle C is x, that is we have to find out. And angle D is 50 degree. So now add these angles or simplify it. So 30 plus 120 is 150, 150 plus 50 is 200. So therefore it will become, if you simplify this, x will be written as it is, 120 plus 30 is 150 plus 50, so it will be 200 equals 360 degree. So now we have to find out the value of x, therefore transfer 200 to the right side of the equals, and it will become x equals 360 degree minus 200 degree. It will become x equals 360 minus 120, it is 160 degree. Therefore, the value of x, that means the value of the angle C in the given first figure is 160 degree. So I think you have understand how to simplify the problem. How to simplify the problem. Similarly, students, you have to try this second one or B, problem B. So in this problem, it is also a 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. So therefore, it is also a quadrilateral in the same way. So we have simplified in A. You have to simplify this problem. So I will give a clue for that. So in this problem, you should give this as an P, Q, R, S. So under view I will give you. So in this the angle PQR. So this should be a 90 degree. So because so here the exterior angle is 90 degree. Therefore the interior angle is also a 90 degree. It is also 90 degree because these two angles are the linear pairs. These two angles are the linear pairs. The sum of these two angles must be equal to 180 degree. So now we have the value of angle Q, angle R, angle S. So in the same manner, you should have to calculate the value of angle P, that is X. Try yourself, students. Students, now observe the next figure, that is C. So here, this is a polygon having a 4 sides. This is a polygon having a 4 sides. So here, this is a polygon with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a polygon with 5 sides. Therefore, this plane figure is called as, what do you call this plane figure? So, it is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this one is 5th side. So, 5 sides. It has 5 sides. It is a pentagon. Now we shall simplify or we shall calculate the value of x. So for diagram C, let us name the pentagon. So it is very easy. It will become very easy if we name the angles of the given plane figure. So I will name this as A, B, C, D, E. So therefore, the polygon A, B, C, D, E, A. A, B, C, D, E, A is a pentagon. So by using this formula, we will find out the value of interior angle, sum of the interior angles. Sum of the interior angles of a pentagon. That means here n equals 5. N equals 5, which will be equals, we know the formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. So in place of n, if you write 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, it becomes 80 into 180 degree. So if you multiply 180 into 3, so So 18 threes are 54, 540 degrees. Therefore, the sum of the interior angles of the given pentagon is 540 degree. Now we shall find out the value of x. We shall find out the value of x. So we know that sum of the interior angles of the pentagon is equal to 550. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E equals 540 degree. So I have taken all the five angles, sum of the all the five angles of the pentagon. So here in this polygon, so the exterior angle of the angle A is 70 degree. So if it is 70 degree, so this interior angle will be 110 degree. So this will be the 110 degree because these two are the linear phase. Similarly, the exterior angle of the B is 60 degree. So the interior angle will be 120 degree. So this we have to write. Okay, student. I think you have understand the concept here. So they have given the angle C, angle D, angle E. Angle C is x, angle D is 30 degree, angle E is x degree. So whereas in case of A and B, they are not given the interior angles. So here they have given the exterior angle of the A and the exterior angle of the B. So if we, by using the linear pair, so the sum of these two angles must be 180 degree. So if you subtract 180 minus 70, it becomes 110 degree. So therefore angle A equals 110 degree. Similarly, so these two are the linear pairs. So if you subtract 60 degree from 180 degree, it will becomes 120 degree. Then substitute the value of A, B, C, D, you will get the value of x. So therefore, angle A is 110 degree plus angle B is 120 degree plus angle C is x. We have to find out angle D is 30 degree plus angle E is also x equals 540 degree. Now simplify the left hand side. So add 110, 120 and 30 degree. So then x, 1x plus 1x, it will become 2x. 1x plus 1x, it will become the variables will be equal to 2x. Now, so add 110, 120 plus 30 degree. So I will add here 110 degree plus 120 degree plus 30 degree. So it will become 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 1, 2. So 260 degree. It will become the sum of these three angles. So will be 260 degree. 2x plus 260 degree equals 540 degree. Now transfer this 260 degree to the right side. It becomes 2x equals 540 degree minus 260 degree. So 2x equals subtract 540 minus 260 it will becomes so 14 minus 6 it will becomes 8, 4 minus 2 is 2, 280. equals 280 degree. Now we have to calculate the value of x. Therefore, x equals 280 degree by 2. So this will become, if you cross multiply this, it will become x equals 280 by 2. So if you divide 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, so it will become 140 degree. X equals 140 degree. Therefore, the value of x, that means angle C and angle E will be equal to 140 degree. Okay, students. Similarly, if you come to the last diagram, so this is also a 5 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what do you call the polygon having a 5 sides? Yes, it is also a pentagon. But if you observe these two figures, here they have given, that means they have marked all the sides and all the angles are same. So what do you call the polygon having all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal? Yes, it is called as a regular polygon. Here it has a 5 sides, is a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon. So therefore you can easily simplify this problem. So in the similar way, you have to find out the sum of the interior angle of a pentagon. Here it's the same, you will get the same answer for this also. So the interior angles of the pentagon is 540 degree. So whereas in case of each angle, you have to substitute x for every angle. So you can name this as P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. By putting x to each angle, you will get the answer for the each angle. So you have to find out, you have to try this problem, students. Students, now observe this problem. So in this polygon, we have to find out the sum of three angles x plus y plus z. Sum of the three angles x plus y plus z. So if you observe the given polygon, so it has three sides. 1, 2, 3. So that means a polygon having a three sides is called as, yes, what do you call? Yes, it is a triangle. It is a triangle. So in this triangle, already you know that the sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degree. But in this problem, they have given the interior angles. We have to find out value. First, we have to find out the value of x, y, and z. After that, we are going to add all the x, y, z. So here 30 degree, 90 degree, and this. These are all called as the interior angles. These are all called as the interior angles. Whereas x, y, and z are the exterior angles. So therefore, each of the side will be extended. Each of the side of the given triangle are extended. So therefore, these two are the linear pair. That means the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. Similarly, the sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree. Here, first we have to find out the value of, that means the interior angle of this y. So now we shall find out this angle. After finding this, we will see the value of x1, xy and z. Now students, we know that, so it is a triangle. Solution for this problem is, we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus 30 degree plus, call this as an angle P. Call this as an angle P. Interior angle as P. Angle P equals 180 degree. 180 degree. So if you add 90 plus 30 is 120 plus angle P equals 180 degree. Therefore, angle P equals 180 minus 120 degree. So therefore, angle P will be equal to 60 degree. Angle P, that means the linear pair of angle Y. Angle Y is P. So this will be 60 degree. Now we have to find out the value of x, y and z. So after that, after finding the x, y and z, so we are going to add. So x, now x, angle x equals 180 minus 90, which will be equals 90 degree. Angle y equals 180 minus, that means P we have to find out it here. 180 minus 60 degree equals 120 degree. So similarly, angle z equals 180 minus 30 degree. It will be 150 degree. So because all are linear pair. Now we have to find out the value of the angle x, y, z. Angle x is 90 degree, angle y is 120 degree, angle z is 150 degree. All the three angles, therefore x plus y plus z equals, the value of x is, it is 90 degree. 90 degree plus value of y is 120 degree. Value of z is 150 degree. So if you add these three angles, you will get the sum of x, y, z. 90 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree. It will become 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 9 is 16. So 1 carry, so it becomes 360 degree. Sum will be 360 degree. Therefore, the sum of the x, angle x plus y plus z will be equals 60 degree. Similarly, there is another problem on the exercise 4.1 that is B. You have to simplify the problem in the same manner, students. Student, we know how to find out the value of sum of the interior angles of the given polygon. Shall we see the sum of the exterior angle of the given polygon? Sum of the exterior, sum of the measures of the exterior angles of the given polygon. So here is a diagram or a figure. So we will see how many sides it has. So it has this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well, students, come on, tell me, what do you call that given polygon? It has 5 sides. So therefore, yes, it is a pentagon. It is a pentagon. Now we have to name the given entity A, B, C, D, E. Therefore, A, B, C, D, E, A. So it is a pentagon. If we extend each of the sides, the pentagon, each of the sides of the pentagon. So observe here, I'm extending each side. Here I have extended angle, exterior angle of B. So here is A. Now observe, students, observe the figure, the angles are extended here. Now observe the extended angles. Now observe the extended angles. So this is what as exterior angle. So it is, or if you call this as 1, this exterior angle as 2, this exterior angle as 3, this exterior angle as 4, this exterior angle as 5. This is as 5. Don't get confused. So these are I have given this for to name the polygon by knowing their number of sides. Therefore, students, so shall I rub this? Okay, 1, 2, third side, this fourth side, this fifth side. Now, students, observe. 5 is an exterior angle of A, 1 is an exterior angle of B, so 2 is the exterior angle of C, and 3 is the exterior angle of D, 4 is the exterior angle of E. If you measure all these exterior angles of the given polygon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be always equal to 360 degree. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 will be equal to 360 degree. Student, here you have to remember that the sum of the interior angles will always changes depending upon the number of sides of the polygon, except regular polygons. But whereas in case of the exterior angle of the every polygon, whatever you take, so you can take triangle or quadrilateral or pentagon or hexagon, whatever you take, so it will be always equal to 360 degree. Will be always equal to 360 degree. Therefore, we can conclude that the sum of measures of the exterior angles of a polygon given polygon is always 360 degree. So this you have to remember. The sum of the exterior angles of the given polygon is always 360 degree. But whereas in case of the interior angles will differ. It will be calculated by using formula n minus 2 into this 180 degree, n minus 2 into 180 degree, which we have already studied. So students, in the next class we will simplify the problems on this the exterior angles. Now in this period what you have learned, so and also I have given some 2-3 problems which you have to simplify yourself. Try yourself, students. Okay.